Does this ever happen to you before? I was just watching some YouTube on my Switch, and suddenly it was just making like a weird noise. It was like it's like a vibrating, and I thought it was my YouTube video for a second, and then I paused the YouTube video, and I'm like, what the heck? Tell me if this has ever happened to you before. It's the first time it happened to me. And I did nothing. I was just watching YouTube. Or this probably means I'm on it too much. I think that is what's the problem. Subscribe and tell me if this has happened to you before in the comments.